Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, May 1st, and this is my analysis of the Aussie US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full down analysis. So I will be, well, first of all, today we do have interest rate news coming out for the US dollar pairs later on today, and that is definitely going to be a very, very big news event for all the dollar pairs. I will be live streaming on YouTube for that news event, so definitely make sure you stop back in later on for my YouTube live stream for the FOMC interest rate news. So anyways, I still am a big believer this is going to make a higher low, and I still think this is going to go up to complete this WXY pattern that we're seeing. 3 waves up, 3 waves down, 3 waves up for a WXY. I still personally think it's going to go up and most likely take out these highs. So on the weekly time frame, I'm definitely still looking at this right here as possibly the end of a wave B. That would make this a wave 1, and that would make this right here a wave 2. Whether the wave 2 is actually over yet or not is kind of debatable, but with that big news we got coming out today, I think there's a good chance that it will go up, make that wave 3, make that wave 4, and make that wave 5. Obviously not all today, but I think it could start this move to the upside. Taking it down to the daily time frame, this move up is very, very, very impulsive, which makes me think that this move down is going to be corrective and that this is actually going to continue the uptrend. I think there's a pretty good chance this could even be a 1-2 and we could be going up for a wave 3. I think we might have already found a bottom. I think this is possibly a 1, a 2, and a wave 3 that we're going to be forming. So taking it down to the 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, I mean, this is definitely a trend. It's definitely higher highs, higher lows. I would obviously label this as either an A or a 1. I would call this move down either a wave B or a wave 2. I think there's a good chance that this is actually needs to go down again because it looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Maybe this is just going to be a motive wave correction because we do have big news coming out today, and I think that is going to cause it to go up and break structure. I don't think that today's news is going to cause the beginning of a wave B to a down move. I think it's more likely to cause the continuation of the uptrend, and this right here would actually be a motive wave correction. So taking it right down to the 1-hour time frame. On the 1-hour time frame, I think it's very clear this is a 1-2 right here, and then this trend right here within the trend is actually a wave 3. I think there's a very good likelihood that we're in a wave 4 and that we're probably going to go down for a wave 5. Then if we go up and break structure, that should be the end of a trend. It could be the end of a wave B. The end of a wave A and the beginning of a wave B, or it could be a motive wave correction. If it is a motive wave correction, then the break of structure would be the end of a correction and most likely the continuation of the uptrend. But we're definitely going to have to reevaluate this right before the news, which is why I'm doing a YouTube live stream later on. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to all my daily live trading sessions. And it also gives you access to all my swing trade setups that I share with the group at the time of entry by signing up at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.